Oh my god. I love it. So pretty. Yes. Fucking amazing. Straight into track mode. Ooh, quick shifters on. Manual turn signals. Traction control. Oh yeah. I love this bike already. Oh, my first time riding it. I love it. It's been so long since I've ridden a sport bike. Reminds me of my old 675, but this one's better. It whistles. It's so amazing. I love it so much. So worth the trade-in. All the carbon fiber. Oh my god. I love it. I'm so happy. Love this bike already. This was a very good choice. If you've never ridden a Daytona, bless yourself and do it. It's amazing. The triple sounds so good. It's such a light bike. The new Moto2, if you can ever get your hands on one, 100% worth it. Huh? I like it. It's amazing.